Hello children, good morning. All of you take out your math notebook and book. Okay. Page number 142. Now open your math notebook. Write date 19/1/22. Today we will learn how to add and subtract of time. Okay, so let's start our exercise. Our first exercise, addition. Okay, add. First example is hours and minutes. Okay, under hours we will write hours and under minutes we will write minutes. Okay, first number is 75 hours and 35 minutes and other number is 10 hours and 25 minutes. Okay, so we will add this number. 5 plus 5, 10. So write here 0. Carry forward to next number 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. Now add hours. 5 plus 0, 5 and 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. So our answer is 85 hours and 60 minutes. Whenever this minutes 60 or more than 60, so carry over to the hours. अगर हमारे मिनट्स का जो आंसर है वो अगर 60 मिनट्स या 60 मिनट से ज्यादा है तो उसको हम आवर्स में प्लस करेंगे, बिकॉज 1 आवर्स इज इक्वल टू 60 मिनट्स. ठीक है, तो यहाँ आंसर मिनट्स में क्या है 60. सो वी विल एड हियर आवर्स. सो 85 प्लस 1, that means 86 hours. Our answer is 86 hours. Because we will convert it minutes to hours. हमने इस 60 मिनट को hours में ऐड कर दिया क्योंकि 60 मिनट्स इज इक्वल टू 1 आवर होता है, तो 85 आवर्स में हमने 1 प्लस कर दिया. ठीक है, write here also plus 1. Okay, 86 hours. Now next B, 23 hours and 45 minutes plus 18 hours and 10 minutes. So we will add first minutes. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. Now add hours. 3 plus 8, 11. Carry over. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So our answer is 41 hours and 55 minutes. Okay, now next see 83 hours and 10 minutes plus 11 hours and 25 minutes. First we will add minutes. 0 plus 5, 5, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. So our answer is 94 hours and 35 minutes. Okay. Now next D. 35 hours and 40 minutes plus 12 hours and 55 minutes. First we will add minutes. 0 plus 5, 5, 4 plus 5, 9. Now we will add hours. 5 plus 2, 7, and 3 plus 1, 4. Now first see here minutes, 95 minutes. Okay, whenever this number is more than 60, तो कैरी ओवर टू द आवर्स. अगर मिनट्स में आंसर हमारा 60 या 60 से ज्यादा आता है तो हम उसको आवर्स में ऐड करेंगे. ओके, सो we will subtract 60 in this number and we will add 1 in this number. Okay, so minus 60 and here plus 1. Okay, ये 60 मिनट से ज्यादा है आंसर मिनट्स में, इसलिए हम इस 60 को हम आवर्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, इसलिए यहाँ पे ये 60 माइनस हो गया और यहाँ पे 1 प्लस हो गया. नाउ 5 माइनस 0 5, 9 माइनस 6 3. ओके, 7 प्लस 1 8 and 4. So our answer is 48 hours and 35 minutes. Children, this addition and subtraction will different from अदर एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन. दूसरे जो भी सब्ट्रैक्शन और एडिशन है उससे ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. ओके, नाउ और नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज सब्ट्रैक्शन, पेज नंबर 143. ओके, our first example, hours and minutes. 83 minutes hours and 45 minutes minus 45 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, now first we will subtract minutes. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, then 3 is equal 3 minus 5 is equal to not possible, so we will take borrow from 8. So right here 7 and here 13. Now 13 minus 5 is equal to 8, then 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So our answer is 38 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, Now next example, 25 hours and 35 minutes minus 18 hours and 25 minutes. Okay. Now we will subtract. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 5 minus 8 is equal to not possible. So we will take borrow from here. Now write here 15. Now 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Okay. So our answer is 7 hours and 10 minutes. Okay. Now our next example, C 36 hours and 25 minutes minus 12 hours and 50 minutes. First we see the minute side. Okay. 25 minus 50 is not possible. So what we'll do? We will take a borrow from hours. हम hours से borrow लेंगे. 1 hours will be the borrow which is equal to 60 minutes. हम यहाँ से hours में से 1 ले रहे हैं, तो 1 hours ले रहे हैं, इसका मतलब है कि हम यहाँ पे 60 minutes ले रहे हैं. Okay. So this number will get converted to minutes. Okay. So these hours become 35 hours because minus 1 from here and 5. Okay. 35 hours and plus 60 plus 60. Okay. Add here 60 and here 1 माइनस. यहाँ से हमने 1 आवर लिया तो यहाँ पे 1 आवर लिया तो इसका मतलब 60 मिनट्स लिए हमने, तो यहाँ पे ऐड करना है 60. All of you write again here hours and minutes. Okay. Here 1 hour will taking. Okay. So and adding 60. So this number will be 35 hours and this number will be 85 minutes. 85 minutes. 60 plus 25. Okay. Now we will subtract. Right here other number. Okay. Now we will subtract these two numbers. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. And 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. So our answer is 20. Our answer is 23 hours and 35 minutes. Okay. Now next example, D. 15 hours and 10 minutes minus 6 hours and 45 minutes. First we see the minute side. Okay, 10 minus 45 is not possible. So what we'll do, we will take a borrow from hours. हम hours से borrow लेंगे. So cut this number and write here 4. And अब 1 hour will be the borrow which is equal to 60 minutes. So this number will get converted to this from here and adding plus 60. Okay. So write here again here hours and minutes. Okay. Here 1 hour will taking and adding here 60. So this number will be 14 and 60 plus 10, 70. So this number will be 70. Okay. Minus 60 and 45. 6 hours and 45 minutes. Okay. Now subtract this number. 0 minus 5 not possible. 10 and here 6. 10 minus 5, 5. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 and 4 minus 6 not possible. Write here 0, here 14. The 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Okay. So our answer is 8 hours 8 hours and 25 minutes. Okay. Understood everybody? ये दूसरे एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन से थोड़ा चेंज है. All of you write very carefully. Okay. Bye.